Tonight, some roads are still closed more than a month after widespread flooding devastated our region.
News 5's Caleb Perhne shows us why crews can't even start making repairs.
The sun is out and the rain has stopped, but 4 roads are still closed in Greene County. 2 are underwater. This is Wattenberger Gap Road in the Baileyton area. It's falling off the side of the mountain. The county's highway department has already repaired about 200 roads.
Just a rough estimate. We've spent upwards of $500,000 already. And there's more expense to come.
The county commission is now taking $1 million out of the general fund to pay for repairs. Another $500,000 will cover equipment broken in the process.
We have people now in our county who cannot get to their homes. They're having to drive around through Hawkins County and back into Greene County to get to their homes.
There's no timeline for when roads will reopen. This section continues to shift down the hill, making it too dangerous to even start.
You can see how it's separated. That was originally a solid single line.
FEMA surveyed the area Tuesday, but Greene County is not waiting for federal funding. The county didn't receive the final check from the tornadoes in 2011 until the end of 2018.
Go ahead and get it fixed, and then just hope and pray FEMA does a good payment back to us.
In the meantime, road crews are volunteering for overtime to get as many roads back open as they can.
Been very taxing on our employees. They're worn, but they're doing a great job.
In Greene County, Caleb Perhne, News 5 WCYB.